Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I will be doing an eye makeup look using the Daydreaming palette from Nykaa. First of all, let me show you how does it looks like. It looks like this, guys. It has all the subtle shades of pink, nudish, brownish, and the best part is it's super affordable, guys. And this range of palette has different variations in shades. You can go and check out on Nykaa. I will be linking everything in the description box below. This makeup look will be very simple, quick, and almost everyday makeup look. Before starting the eye makeup, if you want to know how I have done my entire face, base, preps and everything, you can go and check out the video. I will be linking in the description box below. You will have an entire video just dedicated for that. So guys, now let's get in the video. Guys, it's a purple kajal. It's not black. I don't know why it's looking like black in the video. Might be because of the lighting, but I'm damn sure in the pictures you will be able to see the exact and actual color of this. It looks really different than it's looking on my eye. It looks like this. Can you see? And it's looking So guys, this is the final look which I created with this palette, and if you'll ask me to rate it, I'll rate it 6.5 out of 10 because I like all the matte shades. They are well pigmented, but if you'll talk to me about the glitter ones, they are not that much pigmented as I expected it. But overall, I will definitely suggest you to give this palette a try because this palette has all the shades which are required, and you can create different kinds of look, party, day-to-day basis, college and whatnot. So guys, this was the review as well as the makeup creation or a makeup look video with this palette. I hope you like it, guys. If you like it, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, and until next time,